this journey through Google Workspace 101. So, as we near the end of this, I would like to talk about my favorite part of all of Google Workspace, and that's probably the Google Calendar and some of the features within it. Today, we're going to be talking about appointment slots. And keep in mind, on your end, it might be appointment schedule. So I'll show you exactly how to change the settings. However, to touch on this a little bit, Google appointment slots will be changing to the appointment schedule option. So keep in mind that that is a change that will be happening in the future. But to know which version you have, let's go ahead and click Create here at the top left of the screen. And you'll see at the bottom, it should say appointment slots. And if not, let me show you how to change that. And keep in mind, you may see the other option and decide that you don't want to change it, and that's fine, totally personal preference. But top left, we have the gear icon. We're going to click Settings. And then on the left side, we'll click Appointment Schedules. We'll then scroll down, and at the bottom, you'll see Appointment Schedules. So if you don't see appointment slots available, it's because you need to uncheck this box. So go ahead and do that. Now we're going to go here. I went ahead and already clicked and created 2 test appointments, but I'm going to go ahead and create another one 2 different ways just so you know how to do it. So let's go to Friday the 3rd, 8 a.m. Appointment slot. Example. Slots with duration 30 minutes, so that means there will be 2 appointments show up. So let's hit save. You can also click create and then appointment slots, and see it'll go ahead and put an appointment slot on here. Click more options to go ahead and change the date, time, and all of that. But let's move on to sharing this. So now that you have some appointments slotted out, go to appointments page, and you'll be able to copy and paste this link directly to anyone that you want to book with you. But we'll see here, and keep in mind, looks like I forgot to refresh, so those last few appointments we added are not showing on here, but that's okay. I'll show you what this looks like. So like I said, because of my settings, there are 2 appointment options available between just this example, 2 and 3. So we have a 2:30 to 3 and a 2 to 2:30. The person can click here. They'll be able to, change the name if they need to, put any details, stuff like that. And then after an appointment is booked, you will receive an email so that you are aware of the appointment being made, and you'll also see it on your calendar. So one other thing I want to show you within here, actually 2 things, sorry. Over here on the left side, we have the time insight, so you can actually see how much time you spend in meetings, and you can assess where all your time is actually going and better utilize your time blocking. And speaking of time blocking, when we go to create, we do have the option of focus time. Focus time is a great way to add in time blocks, especially so that you can make sure, 1, you're doing what you should be, and 2, you're not bothered, so you can do a do not disturb feature. And then also, since we're here, I don't have any tasks currently, but Google Task and Google Calendar also integrate so that you can actually schedule out any pressing things on your to-do list. So once again, this allows you to use these features without subscribing to a third-party option. So I hope this was helpful.